Good morning, everyone, man. Hope everyone's having a good day today. Today, for me, is Saturday. I don't know what time I don't know when you'll be watching this, but it is Saturday morning, man. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Not that early of a start, but anyway, today, man, what we doing? So today we're heading to the Gary. I don't know how you say it, Gary Cincy. I think that's how you say his name. But anyway, so we're headed to a car show, right? It's the Gary Cincy Foundation car show. I might be saying that wrong. I'm sorry if I am. Hope I don't offend anybody who's a fan of his. Anyway, we're headed to a car show for his foundation. I think you got to donate, or they call it a donate. It's $10 for entry. But anyway, so I'm gonna go over there, hopefully get some footage for you guys. I'm supposed to be meeting up with this other car club that you know, they're up and coming here in Tampa, man. It's called the Mopar Syndicate. I put their link on the bottom, or I put their put their name on the bottom of the screen here. So again, they're called the Mopar Syndicate. I think they they claim to have about 50 plus members as it is right now. I've never met them before. I have talked to them over, social media, IG and obviously Facebook and things like that. But anyway, man, so they invited me out today to meet up with them and roll down with them. It's about an hour away, so it's not too far. It's not too far of a trip. So we're gonna go down there and check it out, man. Hopefully, I am running a little bit late at the meetup spot, so hopefully by the time I get there, they're still there. But if not, we'll just have to meet them at the car show, man. But anyway, so we're on our way over there right now, and we'll see you guys when we get there, man. Let's go. All right, man. So we just pulled up to the meetup spot. You can see, man, everybody's still here, man. They got cars from over there, all the way over here, man. So, and I think this is actually one of their smaller turnouts, man, because usually they have about 30 or 40 cars rolling with them at every single event. So I think here you probably got, you might be there about 25 to 30. But yeah, man, but they always come out big, man. Like I said, I watch their videos. Like I said, the name is gonna be on the bottom of the screen. I think they have a YouTube as well. They put like little snippets here and there on the channel. But anyway, man, as far as that though, man, they always come out with a bunch of cars and everything else. But anyway, so we here. I'm gonna see if I can find the they said they don't really have like a president. They have more like a council, you know what I'm saying? So they make decisions together, not necessarily one person. So I'm gonna see if I can find that guy, though, at least the face of the car club, and see if he could talk about if he could talk a little bit about the car club and stuff, man. So let me find him and I get right back to you guys. All right, man. So here we go. So we got Sosa, we got Nick, and Nika. All right, man. So tell us a little bit about what you guys got going on, man.
Man, we've been having a Mopar Syndicate around. Well, we just had our 1 year anniversary last week. Just last week, 1 year. We started off just a few cars in the Tampa Bay area. Now we got cars from Tallahassee, Orlando, Tampa, Bradenton, the whole Bay Area. We just really out, just trying to do something different. Just want to be a little different in the community. We do charities for the kids. We doing, we hosting our own events.
Just trying to go out there.
Yeah, we're just trying to make a name for ourselves. Yeah, we're just trying to make a name for ourselves. We want to be something different in the Bay Area. Like,
not just any regular car club that just go up and down the street and just, race all the time.
So you guys are actually putting back into the community and things like that?
We even went to Mopar and register everything under our name so we can have our names out there. So we do, the business stuff. Right?
So we always bring our kids out and families, so it's not just about the cars and having.
So it's always family friendly, family.
Cars are just bonus.
Yeah, our motto is it's definitely family first. The cars come second.
There you
Without
go.
the family stuff, the cars ain't nothing.
That's why we
That's
move
what's
so
up.
fast, because everybody like that family mentality, because they see, all right, you guys are just part of that. We're gonna actually interact and be like actually cool with each other, So.
And I think that's really what attracts so many people to it, because it's not just the cars and you come in just the cars. No, we come in, we meet with the cars, but then we just start hanging out, talking about everything.
Houses, we actually go out and eat. It's more than that.
So you guys always have actual events, like family-oriented events, where the whole family and everybody could come out and have a good time.
One of our brothers got a new car. We all just put up to his house and congratulated him.
Oh, that's
how deep it is. We just love each other.
Nice, man.
We supported someone's event at a high school.
Jefferson High School.
Pulled up,
yeah,
paid
Jefferson High School.
and hung out all day.
Yeah.
Nice. So you guys have about how many cars right now estimated?
Officially in the group itself, decaled up, we about 55 cars right now.
55 cars.
55, but we got another 70 on the just waiting list to try to come in.
And you guys only been 1 year?
We've made
just
1
had your
year
1 year
just last
anniversary.
This week
April,
is
Monday.
actual.
Monday was our
Monday
1 year
was official.
anniversary. April 22nd was our 1 year anniversary. We did Ben T. Davis. We met on the causeway to do a little celebration. We had a little grill,
Cookout, like a little cookout, yeah.
You know,
Nice.
just to bring in the 1 year. But yeah, we only been doing this 1 year, and we done turned it into this.
So 1 year, 55 cars, man, family oriented and everything else, man. I mean, I see the cars out here, man. Like I said, you guys see the people. And I said it before you guys came, man. This is actually probably, from what I seen on video anyway, this is probably one of the smaller turnouts that you guys have had. Because, you know, you guys are always rolling 50, 60 deep, you know, and they be mobbing all around Tampa and everything. I be seeing, I see y'all videos. But yeah, man. But anyway, so again, you guys are going to see the name on the bottom of the screen, man. Syndicate. Shout out your Instagrams, man, so that way they could go and follow you guys individually.
Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram. It's Hefe_392.
Hefe_392.
Black Cobra _.
What was that again?
Black Cobra _
Black Cobra _
I read Jeep.
Fire Red Jeep.
Yes.
All right, there you go. All right, man. So you guys know, man, we're gonna get it all official, man. We're gonna put it on the bottom of the screen. Mopar Syndicate, man. Tampa, like I said, they're up and coming. 1 year anniversary, 50 cars deep already, man. And you know they're gonna be making a lot more moves, man. So make sure you guys go follow these guys.
Oh,